my name is Melanin Samaya and welcome back to my channel. If you see me with the same look in a couple of videos, just know that I pre-recorded a couple of videos, so do not judge me, please. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute and fluffy twist out. It was a chunky twist out, but if you guys want to see how to get a more defined twist out, check out my last video and I will include the iCard up here above so you guys can check that out. But be sure to watch this entire video and I will see you guys in the next clip. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm starting today's style on a really old procrastination twist out, and you know exactly what I mean when you're just really trying to avoid wash days, so you turn it into a bunch of different styles, from a high puff to messy buns, just all kinds of different styles to avoid washing your hair. But we're doing that some more today by turning it into a new twist out. And I'm just making sure to break that into manageable pieces and spraying my hair with some water using the Joyful Bee spray bottle from her wash day kit. Now I'm going to be using the lock method today as usual. And these are the exact same products that I used in my defined twist out video. But if you don't know, I'm just going to tell you that this is the Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coil Custard, and that's what I'm using first as a leave-in. Then I'm going to go in with my oil mixture, and then I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and then I will take the Auntie Jackie's Flaxseed Elongating Gel, and I'm using that to kind of lock in and hold my hair for this twist out. And your hair gel is going to be the most important part for getting a really good twist out. And you want to make sure that the gel is something that works for you, not just what's best reviewed by a lot of people. But sometimes it really comes down to trial and error because everybody's hair is different. And so I know a lot of people love the Cantu products, but those don't work for me. It makes my hair very flaky. So making sure to have really good products that work for you, that make sure that your hair is nice, healthy, and hydrated, and that also mix well are going to be a key component to having the twist out. But at the end of the day, your takedown process and how you start your twist are going to have a big impact on how your twist out is going to come out. And when it comes down to the takedown, the biggest thing that will hurt you is that you do not make sure that your hair is completely, and I mean completely, dry. And that is specifically out to my 4C high porosity girls. It's because your hair just holds on to water and it just stays wet. So I don't care if it's been 8 hours. If your hair is still not dry, do not take that twist out down. Put a head wrap on that thing. Anyways, I'm putting my bonnet on. I just got a new one that I really like and I'm excited to show you guys, but I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, so I'm just going to take this down. But my twists ended up looking like they're a little funky looking just because I had it in a bun, so I could do that head wrap. I'm gonna spritz it with some water. Okay, that's a lot. It wasn't stopping. I'm going to take some oil. This oil mixture I've kept for a minute. I need to make some more. So I'm gonna take a little bit of, sometimes when you start running low, you gotta kind of tilt it to get the last of the oil. Then I'm just gonna rub this in my hands like so, kind of put it mostly just focusing on the ends of my hair. Yeah. So this look is very similar to my mini twist. So I'm just gonna take all these twists down. I'm trying to get it done before the rest of the sunlight goes so I can take some more pictures because I haven't been taking pictures in a cool minute. Just because I'm lazy, one, and then two, I've really been doing a lot of stuff for school, so I just haven't, it's really drained a lot of my energy. So now I took down all the twists, and this is kind of the part where you begin to separate them. And I only try to separate them once. I have a total of about 16 twists, and I'm just going to try to separate all of these one time, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fluff out the middle portion And here you see me fluffing out the middle section, never the ends, and that's what's going to make it look fluffy but still like it has a curl pattern. And don't do the front either. So you can see this side of my hair did not come out just because I wasn't being as gentle with this side because I was trying to hurry up. But this is kind of like, you want to make sure your hair is damp enough to kind of move. When I say damp enough to move, I mean spritz it after the fact, and that way you can control how much your hair shrinks without your hair looking a mess if you're not used to doing that. And that's why you can see that this side of my hair is a lot more defined than this side. So this side looks a little wild, but it's still cute. But yeah, that's kind of why you want to like take your time taking down the twist. But I'm sorry about these awkward pauses. Some of the footage I had went missing. But what I was trying to say was that you want to separate your hair by the natural deviation in your curl pattern, just so you get the best twist out. So let me end this video. Okay guys, so we've made it to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm really tired to be honest, but yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.